Hello to all my lovely family. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. I hope you guys all doing great and Alhamdulillah I am also good. Today we are going to discuss about previous topic 50 phrasal verbs. Guys, do not forget to like this channel, share with your loved ones. Today's first sentence is give up, quite, set up, establish, bring in, introduce. Look out, be cautious, go on, continue, get over, recover from. Turn in, submit, find out, discover. Point out, indicate, run into, encounter or meet unexpectedly, make up, become friends again after a quarrel or disagreement, go out, socialize, carry out, execute, show up, appear, get by, survive with limited resources, run away, flee, take in, understand, absorb, drop off, deliver. Guys, let's learn something new with Sayed Academy. Do not forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Let down, disappoint, take off, leave the ground and fly. Take off, become successful. Break down, stop walking, go over, review, look into, investigate, bring up, rise. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and liking it. Kindly do not forget to share with your loved ones, like it and do comment please. Thank you so much once again. Have a blessed day.